Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you're anything like me, you think pandas are super cool, and you've probably thought, hey, why doesn't every zoo try to have pandas? Well, there are three main reasons for that. The first reason is cost. Unlike every other zoo animal, a zoo actually has to rent pandas from China. They can't just own them. And that rental fee is $1 million per year, and it usually has to be a 10-year contract. So just to have pandas, you're paying $10 million. The only exception to this are the pandas in the Mexico City Zoo, because they are part of what used to be the panda diplomacy program, which happened much earlier on, kind of in the 70s and 80s, where China would actually gift out pandas to countries as gifts for diplomacy. So Mexico City still has their gift pandas. America was even gifted some pandas when President Nixon visited in 1972. He traded two muskox to the Chinese government for their pandas. And on top of that, if your pandas happen to have a baby while they're at the zoo, you have to pay a one-time $400,000 baby fee. So yeah, pandas are pricey. The second reason is a panda's diet. So most bear species are what are called generalist, meaning they could eat a whole bunch of different stuff, different types of meat and plants, but pandas are what's known as a specialist. 99% of their diet has to be bamboo. And if you're certain places, bamboo can be really hard to come by because it's a pretty tropical plant. In fact, the London Zoo reportedly had to spend $107,000 a year to get enough bamboo to feed their pandas. And pandas' digestive system is still very similar to a normal bear's that was adapted for eating lots of meats and other kind of soft, more nutritious plants. But now, since they are mostly only eating bamboo, they have to eat 84 pounds of it, up to 84 pounds of it a day to get their nutritional needs, and they spend 14 hours a day eating. Another just random cool fact about their eating is because of them having to grip the bamboo, they've actually developed an extra finger, or thumb, kind of what they call it. It's not really a thumb, that other bears don't have. Instead, other bears have a wrist bone, but these guys have developed a little finger here. I'll throw up a picture. It's going to be made in paint because I couldn't find a free one online. And our final reason is breeding. So the goal with most zoos is to be able to conserve endangered or threatened species like the panda and have a stable breeding population in captivity. But captive breeding has proven to be very difficult with pandas. In the wild, they have very complicated courtship behaviors, and they scent mark in large territories to attract each other. And actually, when they breed, it usually happens in threesomes of a male and two females, but most zoos will only ever really get two pandas due to the loaning policy. There actually has been some success with panda porn. So what a lot of zoos do is they'll show the male panda videos of pandas breeding to get them in the mood, and that has actually given an increase to panda breeding. So I'm Matt, those are some panda facts, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!